This is an AI-assisted recap of one engineering task. The detailed write-up is linked in the description. The task, move RecapQueue, the system behind recap-queue.vercel.app, into a single standalone project. The tricky part, it had to keep running the whole time and stop depending on two other folders. You paste a YouTube link into a web app from any browser, even your phone. A Next.js app on Vercel stores it as a job in a Postgres queue behind Google sign-in. Your home PC pulls that queue, claims one job, and runs the whole pipeline unattended. It fires the Claude code skills, narrates with edge-tts, renders with remotion, and uploads to YouTube. The system lived inside a sprawling working folder, mixed in with unrelated data. Worse, the worker and the AI skills were wired to one exact path, spelled out in file after file. And the render step borrowed its dependencies from a completely separate second folder. So copying just the app would look fine, then quietly break the moment the originals were deleted. A clean project was scaffolded with Git, and the full system copied in web app, worker, AI skills, scripts. Bulky, rig-iterable output was left behind on purpose: dependencies, builds, renders, audio, fetched sources. Then every mention of the old path was rewritten across 154 files, in 4 different spelling styles. Secrets were carried over but kept out of version control, so the site never lost its config. The last dependency was the render engine, borrowed from that separate second folder. So a render folder was added in the project, with the remotion stack installed right inside it. Every episode now links its dependencies to that in-repo copy, not the outside world. With that, RecapQueue depends on nothing beyond its own folder. You can zip it and move it again. Nothing was taken on faith, each layer was checked from the new location. The web app installs and type checks, the worker compiles, the render template resolves its dependencies. The scheduled worker task was repointed, and the running job was left alone so nothing was lost. And the live site kept serving the entire time. The move was invisible to anyone using it. 3 closing pieces of advice, all covered in more depth in the written review. First, rescue the old episode history and sources before deleting the original folder. Second, once the current job finishes, restart the worker so it fully runs from the new home. Third, the secrets now sit on disk twice, so rotate them if the old copy was ever shared. The full written review is linked in the description. Thanks for watching this AI-assisted recap.